So the first thing we used was pipe tape. That's what's going to go inside that hole down there. Next thing we do is use our pipe cutters and cut some 3/4 inch pipe. We always dry fit things to make sure that they work before you glue. And this is going to be our repair. So next thing you do, we're going to walk over here and dry fit everything before we glue it. And this is going to be our repair. And once we know everything is dry fitted, the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and glue it. So if you walk over here with me, you want to use primer to clean off any foreign debris and dirt that you may have. And after that's dried a little bit, next thing you know, you don't need to glob on lots of PVC glue. You just need to do a nice circle around. The next thing you do, we're going to squeeze the cap on and do a 1/4 turn twist. And you can see that provides a nice little seal. It gets a little messy. You want to wear gloves because this stuff is harmful. So next thing we do, we're going to glue the bottom piece. A little primer. Let it dry for a second. Try not to use as much glue as I did. Maybe a little less this time. And what you want to do is push and twist about a 1/4 turn. And it gives you a nice seal right there. You can see a little messy on the glue. Not too bad. And what we're going to do is go ahead and screw this in and give it about a ½ hour set time before we check to make sure that our repair held. And sometimes you just got to make sure you thread it in nice. It'll go in nice and easy. Make sure the dirt is clear the best you can. We're going to flush the system out, which we're going to go over next. Because with this brake, we did have a lot of dirt and debris in there. You want to make sure it's nice and clear. When we screw this in, stick your finger in there a little bit and try to screw it in the best you can. And to get this all the way driven home, we're going to use a slip wrench to go ahead and twist it on there. But that's going to be our repair.